guys, so in this video I am going to show you how I DIY'd these Hmnalns Polyboots. Now as an artist, I am all about supporting true talent and will even save all my money to buy an original instead of settling for a knockoff. However, I was disappointed because I waited so long for these new releases since I missed out on the previous Polyboot just to find out that they don't ship to the EU. So until I am back in the US, which I assume by then they will be sold out again, I am going to have to improvise. However, if you are blessed enough to live in the US, please support this brand and do not make your own knockoff. This is going to be a super quick tutorial of how to take these regular lace-up sandals and turn them into these Hmnalns inspired thigh-high booties. So this is everything that you will need for your new shoes, along with a pair of scissors, and I will place a link to all the items mentioned in the video in the description below. First step is to remove all the lace that is currently in your gladiator sandals, and then cut about 30 feet of rope for each shoe pair. After you cut the rope, you want to burn the ends so that it does not unravel, and then place a safety pin through the ends to make it easier to feed the rope through the holes of the shoe. You may not need all the rope, but it's best to start with a lot of rope and then lace up and then cut off the excess depending on where you want it to fall on your thighs. So after completing those first few steps, you then want to place a safety pin halfway through each of the 30 foot of rope that you cut, so that when you are pulling the rope through the shoe, you know when you have reached the halfway point to make sure that both sides are equal. After that, you would just lace them up like you would any regular tennis shoe. Lastly, you are going to take some super glue and glue the ends of the rope onto the clasp and then seal it as shown here in the video. And this is probably the most difficult but also the most rewarding part, because once this is done, your shoes are finished. And here is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.